I secured 99.8 percentile in my JEE main first session. I actually started with chemistry because we have only memory based. Maths you need to practice, it's just the time you need to take care of. Many of the questions repeat in the PU. Hello, I am Pritham Reddy from Deeksha Vedantu Elahanka. I secured 99.8 percentile in my JEE mains first session. Chemistry is just with NCERT and our teacher's notes. That's more than enough. Maths you need to practice. It's just the time you need to take care of. Physics, it's again the teacher's notes, PYQs. PYQs play an important role in your preparation. Just finish them and you're done with it. I actually started with chemistry because we have only memory based or a very few calculations even in the physical part. So it's just that you see a question and just tick the options. So chemistry gets done within, you try to manage it within 30 or 45 minutes if possible. No, you cannot extend it up to 1 hour. So in physics, there are a little concept based, just pick the questions which are easy, and then you go to maths. If you find any easy questions, finish them first and leave the lengthy ones to the last. It's my teachers. They have put in a lot of effort, more than me, I could say. They have always helped me with my problem solving techniques or developing the skills I require for, especially the time management also. So I'd say my teachers. PU, it's just take the previous year questions. Many of the questions repeat in the PU, so it's not a problem. You just solve it simultaneously with the topics you do.